Yes, in the sense that when a Mac is booted up via Boot Camp into Windows, it's running the Windows agent, the Windows operating system, the Windows agent, and all the rest, and it doesn't know much about the Mac side of that partition, and vice versa. So the Mac, when you boot up the Mac side, the Windows partition, it basically just sees it as I believe it's NTFS or FAT32 or whatever file format that is. It just sees it as a disk. Doesn't know enough about the operating system and all the internals of Windows to be able to say these things need to be backed up or these things need to be monitored or whatever. And for that matter, the Mac is running as a Mac at that point, and the Windows services and things are not running. So if you tried to monitor them, obviously they'd all fail. And then vice versa. If you're running it on the Windows side, the Windows agent can't check for things like the Mac patches because the Mac OS isn't running. So essentially, from the agent perspective, it is two separate machines, even though it's on the same hardware. That just means that it's not like a virtual machine where it can be running multiple operating systems at the same time. Boot Camp basically flips a switch between the hardware being a Windows machine and being a Mac. So essentially treated as two separate machines.